Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to schedule an appointment for a referral that should have been scheduled with the patient before they left the office. This is a referral that will be scheduled with the CFH provider. The referral coordinators will now be resending these referrals to the front office to schedule appointments. So when you go into your front office delegated bucket, you're going to see a typical schedule appointment task. So as I click on the schedule appointment task, I can see down below that this is a referral to a podiatrist. So I'm going to go ahead and first call the patient and schedule the appointment. Once the appointment is scheduled, I'm going to go back into the task bucket. I'm going to click on the task, the scheduled appointment task, and then I'm going to go down to Go To. I'm going to go into Additional Details, and in the Additional Details section, I'm going to change the appointment status to Appointment Scheduled, and then I'm going to hit OK. Now that will remove the task from your bucket because the appointment has now been scheduled, but it will not remove the order from the patient's chart. So if I go to the clinical desktop, I will see that the referral is active. And so now that way the unit secretary can track it and make sure that the patient has went to the appointment, upon which we will complete it after they have seen the specialist. And that's how you will now be dealing with any scheduled appointment that comes to you in your front office delegated bucket that is a referral. I repeat, you will only do this for tasks that say referrals. If it's just a follow-up, you will just basically complete the order like you always have in the past. If you have any questions, please contact the super team.